Welcome back to the Tail with Odds Tessa 5 and 87's coming in with number 902 on the lead. Before I got here, they have a flag crossing 95.25, yeah, milepost 95.24 to Guelph sub. Provide protection according answer 103G. 103 goal.
Here it comes.
Yes, you are right, Connor. Well, here they come in. And we've got a really long 568 beside us here. I mean a really long. This is the end of... This is the EOT right here. Yep. Jason was right in the comments. One of those box cars are from ACL.
What's ACL again?
Industry. There's a junction that comes off mile 116 Guelph sub. It goes spur line and it goes there.
Is it a building?
87 on the stop at Stratford right side. Okay.
Kinda. It's like a lumber company, you know.
Oh, you know it's right side. 87 on Stratford, isn't it? 87
But here comes a 7902. It's getting going now. Maybe I won't really have to worry about if I succeed in the shot, or maybe they will. We'll see. Maybe I won't have to worry about if I succeed in the shot, because they're just moving up slowly. We'll see. But they've got to move slowly. And don't forget, 3476 is in this contest too. They're even replacing the rail ties here as well. Here comes a 7 number 902. Just at the right spot. Here we go. I think the other nice guys should be on today. Must be the heat waves. Easy on today, 3476. That business car was turned to the way around pretty soon enough. And they're off.
Station 8861 crossing activated.
Off they go.
Engineer, V87, doors closed and secured SM80.
Closed and secured on 87, thanks, out.
Here we go. Go. On. Hello. It's him. Ha ha ha. It is him. It was him. That person just ran across Downey Street with the lights on and the gates down. That is why they just honked. That is why they honked over there.
Someone tried to cross that street.
Yeah, somebody tried to...
Oh, that's so stupid.
Yeah, just why? People are just, you know, kind of bad. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, see you next video. That's actually the first time I've heard them honk for somebody crossing with the lights on. Have a great rest of your day, everyone.